All right, guys, this is draft order. Draft order. 2 boxes of Leaf, Metal Pop Century. 3 times, 3 times. 1 and 2, 3 times on the randomizer. All right, we got Master of Coin for 2, UNC Collector for 2, Pierre, Viking for 2, and Mr. Buckets for 1. We're gonna go 3 times. This is draft order. 1, 2, and 3. Wow, rigged. Viking, Master of Coin, Pierre, Master of Coin, UNC Collector, Mr. Buckets, and UNC Collector. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and bust. See what we got.
My vision was wanting to be able to close the economic and educational.
Alright, here we go. Alright. First up, we got autograph is... Who's this? Mike Lookinland. Lookinland? Who's this guy? Let's look these guys up. Who knows? Brady Bunch. I don't remember him. I never watched Brady Bunch. Alright. This is the wave, not numbered. Next up is Christy Swanson. Heartbreakers. Look at that. Orange. Or mango. Nah, that's legit orange. No, not a mango right there. And that is number, ooh, look at that. SSSP 3 of 3. Why does her name sound familiar? What was she in? She was in Buffy as well. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Next up is... Oh, I got a fatty. It is Dual Relic. That's Ewan McGregor and Samuel L. Jackson. At an 85. This must be from Star Wars. I'm assuming Star Wars Dual Relic. Any of you Star Wars fans? There you go. And last one is gonna be, oh my goodness. Oh, Heartbreaker autograph. That is Black Wave 3 out of 3. Jennifer Love Hewitt. Killing me, Smalls. Alright. Box number 1. In my face. Man, that was going to be my PC right there. Whoa, almost knocked over the camera. Alright, first autograph is going to be Heartbreakers. Vandervoort. What was her? What was she from? I think you hit this autograph too, right? Fung? Vander. Let's see. Canadian actress. I don't know who she is. Supergirl. Oh, she's in Supergirl. Yeah, I don't really know who she is. Alright, next up is pink autograph. It is Michael Beck. Is that pink? I guess pink autograph, 7 out of 7. 7 out of 7.
Experience ever. But now, during Ram Power Day, save up to $11,000 on new Ram 2500 Tradesman crew cabs. Your adventure starts at Johnson Auto Plaza.
Where first-time buyers become lifetime customers every day. I'm Heidi Hennig with the
Oh, Mike did. Yeah. Oh, actually, yeah, he did. I remember. And relic is triple. Oh, 6-way. All right, we got Denzel Washington, Kevin Costner, John Malkovich, Brad Pitt, Tom Hanks, Samuel L. Jackson.
Let's get you out of that private mortgage insurance.
That is numbered 1 out of 65. eBay 101.
Call 303
6-way relic.
or go to thehomeloanrangers.com.
And autograph is another one. Heartbreakers. Pink Wave. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. Jennifer Love Hewitt. All right, that is it. Thanks again, guys, for watching. That was fun. Peace.